Welcome to Vanindin Academy. If you're planning to install a solar power system, there are several common mistakes that can lead to poor performance, extra costs, or even system failure. In this video, we'll break down the most common solar installation mistakes and how you can avoid them. Let's get started. Mistake 1. Not understanding your energy needs. Many people choose a system size without first checking their actual electricity usage. Always review your utility bills to find your daily and monthly consumption. Oversizing wastes money, undersizing won't meet your needs. Mistake 2. Installing panels in shaded areas. Shade is the enemy of solar efficiency. Even small shadows from trees, chimneys, or nearby buildings can reduce system output significantly. Always choose a location with at least 5 to 6 hours of full sun exposure daily. Mistake 3. Poor roof orientation or angle. Panels should ideally face south in the northern hemisphere or north in the southern hemisphere. Incorrect tilt or orientation can reduce output by 10 to 30%. Make sure your installer optimizes the panel angle and direction for your region. Mistake 4. Using cheap or incompatible equipment. Trying to cut costs with low-quality panels, inverters, or batteries often leads to system failures or lower efficiency. Use components that are reliable, well-reviewed, and compatible with each other. Mistake 5. Skipping permits and approvals. Installing without proper permits or utility approval can result in fines or disconnection from the grid. Always follow your local regulations and get the required approvals before installation. Mistake 6. Ignoring future expansion. If you think you might expand your system later, plan for it now. Choose inverters, batteries, and controllers that allow for additional panels or upgrades. This saves you time and money in the future. Mistake 7. Incorrect system sizing. Some people oversize their system without considering local net metering policies. If your utility doesn't credit excess energy, an oversized system may not pay off. Work with a professional to size your system based on usage, budget, and utility rules. Mistake 8. DIY wiring without proper knowledge. While DIY solar can be rewarding, electrical wiring must be done safely and correctly. Improper connections can cause voltage drops, fire hazards, or system damage. Hire a certified electrician or get proper training before attempting electrical work. Mistake 9. Poor battery management. If you're using batteries, don't ignore proper battery care. Overcharging, deep discharging, or wrong settings can shorten battery life. Use a good charge controller and follow the manufacturer's guidelines. Mistake 10. No monitoring or maintenance plan. Without a monitoring system, you won't know if your panels are underperforming. Check performance regularly and clean your panels at least once or twice a year. Early maintenance can prevent big problems later. To recap, here are the 10 mistakes to avoid. Not checking your energy needs. Installing panels in shaded areas. Poor orientation or tilt. Using cheap or incompatible equipment. Skipping permits and approvals. Not planning for expansion. Incorrect system sizing. Unsafe, DIY electrical work. Mismanaging batteries. No monitoring or maintenance. Thanks for watching Vanindin Academy. If this helped you avoid costly solar mistakes, please like, share, and subscribe for more expert solar guidance, and tell us in the comments, what's one mistake you've seen or experienced during a solar installation?